I hope everyone know what is meteorite crater and where is meteorite crater. Here it is. Ta-da! Two different versions of 3D printed meteorite crater from Arizona, and of course hand painted. How you like them? What do you think? They are very, very cool. I think the orange version is much more natural, and this one looks more like a lunar crater or something, but they all hand painted, so it's a piece of art. The main difficulty was how to make details on so small scale, because the crater is several few kilometers wide, so a few kilometers, and there is like 10 centimeters wide. The model is 15 per 15 centimeters, so there is like, I don't know, 12, maybe 12 centimeters. So it was the main difficulty. This is really, really cool.